Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today the price line is breaking out another triangle, and in today's video we will try to analyze whether is this a breakout or a fake out. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. In my previous video, I was telling you that we have two very important supports, and in order to start a bearish move or bearish trend, Bitcoin needs to break down these two supports. One was the $44,000, and you can see that a few days back, a day before yesterday, we had this very long spike up to $42,900. And the second support is the 200 daily simple moving average. And you can see that the price line is likely to have a bounce from here. Now, if we take a look at these supports and resistance levels, then right now the price line is moving between $44,000 support and $46,700 resistance level. You can see that this resistance is very important because here it has been working for several days as a support, and other resistance here as well. And here it has been working as a support. You can see here the price line was bounced, and also here this level has been working as a support and resistance. And if we move back, then here it has been working as a support. Therefore, this level is very important. Once the price line will be able to break out this level, then we can expect another move to the next resistance that will be here. You can see that we have accumulation of the candlestick here, and that is approximately at $49,000. Then an imminent move can be from $46,700 to $49,000 after, when we will have a closing above this level, especially on the daily time frame. Now, if I switch to the 4-hourly time frame from here, then we can see that here we had a perfect bear flag formation, and here we also have a symmetrical triangle on this 4-hourly time frame, and this is the resistance of the triangle, and this is the support of this symmetrical triangle. Right now the price line is breaking out this resistance of the symmetrical triangle rather than breaking down, even though this was a perfect bear flag, and we were expecting that we will have a waterfall crash from here because this was a bear flag, and after breaking down we would have lower than previous low, even more than $42,900. But right now the price line is breaking out the resistance, but so far we are not having closing above this resistance of the triangle. But if you want to trade this breakout, then you can do that, but you need to use this recent swing low as your stop loss. That is $45,550. And even I would suggest to use this level as your stop loss. That is approximately at $45,000, because here we have more stronger support. But after this breakout, our imminent target can be $49,000 if I place this trend line from here, and I'm just measuring the distance between the support, the tail of the triangle, and the support, and placing it here. We can see our imminent target can be $48,889. However, on the daily, if we switch back to the daily time frame, then we can see that our next resistance can be $49,000. Therefore, we can also set our next sell target there at $49,000. Now, if we switch back to the 4-hourly time frame and place the volume indicator along with this volume oscillator, this is a very useful tool to measure the power of buying or selling. So rather than using your eyes, you can use this indicator to watch how much powerful sell or buying volume is. Right now we can see that we are having buying volume, but if we take a look at the value of the buying volume, you can watch the values here, then value is in negative territory. At least we need the value in the positive territory. That will show that the bulls are in power, and this is a powerful buying volume. However, as per experts, at least we need the value of 10. That is considered a powerful buying or sell volume. And so far it is moving in the negative territory. Like we had here, you can see the volume oscillator was triggered and the value was more than 50. And you can see we had a very powerful sell volume when it was moving here in the positive territory, and it was moved up with the selling candlesticks. So therefore, we need at least this oscillator to move in the positive territory. You can see it is moving up aggressively, and soon it can enter the positive territory. Then we can confirm this breakout very soon. However, if you would like to trade this breakout, you can set your stop loss here. That is our recent swing low. Now, if we switch back to the daily time frame, then here we have this support of $44,000. We have this resistance at $46,700. And here we also have another trend line support as well that is coming all the way from here. And if I place this trend line here and include all these candlesticks, then we can see that we also have this trend line support that has been working as a support previously. And now it can work as a resistance that is approximately at $49,000. So from here we can have another rejection, or if the price line will break out this trend line again, because this was very strong trend line support previously, and after this breakdown it can now work as a very strong resistance. And if the price line will again break out this resistance, then it can work as a very strong support again. Therefore, we need to watch this trend line as well along with this resistance. Right now the price line is likely to break out this resistance. We can see that we are above $47,000, and this resistance is at $46,700. So if we will have the closing on the daily time frame above this level, and we can see that even on the small time frame chart, we are having the breakout from a triangle as well. Therefore, we can expect an imminent move up to $49,000. Now let me just show you the next support that I have been showing you in my previous video as well, and that is the 200 simple moving average on the daily time frame. And this is the 50 simple moving average, this is the 200 simple moving average, and we can see that we are expecting a golden cross very soon. The 50 simple moving average is very close to this 200 simple moving average to form this golden cross. And we have already faced this situation before the previous bull run, like here in the month of May 2021, when this previous golden cross was being formed. We can see this 50 simple moving average was moving up. First we had a golden cross here, but after this golden cross we had the drop of March. That was an exceptional drop. Therefore, I'm looking for this golden cross. Okay, when we were having this golden cross, because this is a lagging indicator, and therefore the move takes place before this golden cross, and you can see that we had a very nice rally towards the upside before this golden cross formation. And when we were very close to form this golden cross here, like right now we are in that situation, we had a very strong dump here, and the price line tested the 200 simple moving average, and then we had a very nice rally. And this, after this golden cross, this 50 and 200 simple moving averages worked as a very nice support for the long term. Now, if we move to the current situation, right now we are having such situation again. Like this 50 simple moving average started moving up, we had a very nice rally, and when we are very close to form this golden cross, then right before the formation of the golden cross, we are testing this 200 simple moving average. So it is possible that now this golden cross will be formed, and it will again start a very big move, and it can work as a very nice support. However, in order to start the next rally, we need the volume to confirm that, like we had volume here. Let me move back to the chart where I have placed the volume oscillator, and here we can see that on the daily time frame, even though we are in the positive territory, this is the volume oscillator, even though we are in the positive territory, but it is moving down, it's not moving up. It should move up. And on the 4-hourly time frame, the volume oscillator has just started moving up, but still in the negative territory. If we move back when this rally was started on the daily time frame, you can see here we had here you can watch the value. The buying volume oscillator value was more than 18, and then more than 26, and even here we had the value more than 11, and here we had the value more than 4. Right now this is showing the power of sell volume, and now we are having again the buying volume that has appeared here. Now this volume oscillator should move up. It is moving down. However, right now on the 4-hourly time frame chart, this breakout from the triangle can be a big invitation to the buyer, and then we can have very soon very powerful buying volume, and we can watch this oscillator will be moving up in the positive territory very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and do support me at the Patreon for more ideas I'm sharing here on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.